If you are running a credit repair business and struggling with lead follow-ups, manual workflows, or disconnected systems, I can help. I am Rasa from Go Skylevel and I specialize in building automated systems for credit repair companies using Go Skylevel CRM, our advanced white label version of High Level. I help credit repair businesses build and automate landing pages and sales funnels, lead magnet and webinar funnels, automated SMS and email follow-ups, pipeline automation and nurture workflows, review request and retention campaigns, upsell and downsell systems, credit repair cloud and DisputeFox integrations. The goal is simple, help you capture more leads, close more clients, and scale your operations with less manual work, right? Unlike most setups, we focus heavily on strategy, automation logic, and real business workflows, not just basic CRM setup. If you're looking for someone who understands both automation and the credit repair industry, let's connect.